Forever Arctic Sea capsules contain a blend of fish oils that provide a very healthy combination of essential fatty acids that our bodies need to maintain optimum health and vitality. Essential fatty acids have been a staple of the human diet for thousands of years, but it wasn't until the 20th century that the impact they have on health began to be understood. In the 70s, Danish physicians observed that Greenland Eskimos had an exceptionally low incidence of heart disease and arthritis, despite the fact that they consumed a high-fat diet. It was soon discovered that eicosapetanoic acid and doxohexanoic acid, commonly known as EPA and DHA, were two of the fats they consumed in large quantities. The reason these are called essential fatty acids is that they are vital to our health, but our bodies cannot produce them. We must get them from our diet. And essential they are. Every living cell in our bodies needs them to produce new cells. There are two types of essential fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6. Both EPA and DHA are of the omega-3 type. Foods that contain omega-3 fatty acids include fish, flaxseed, algae, walnuts, calamari, and mussels. Foods that contain the omega-6 include vegetable oils corn, soy, rapeseed or canola, peanut, and sunflower. It's interesting to note that the optimum consumption ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids is between 1:1 and 1:4. The ratio of consumption for the Greenland Eskimos that we mentioned earlier is close to 1:1. If we go back 2,000 years and trace the ratio of omega-3 and 6 consumption, we see that it was in the optimal range until around the 13th century. At this point, people started consuming an increasing amount of omega-6 and a decreasing amount of omega-3. And today's ratio is from 1:5 to 1:30. In fact, today humans consume 100 million tons of omega-6 oils annually. This is significant because modern medical research indicates that excessive omega-6 ratios can be associated with many health challenges. So what can we do to bring the omega-3 and omega-6 ratio back to a healthy level? One way is to increase our consumption of omega-3. Let's take a look at 3 sources of omega-3 and rate them as good, better, and best. The good are vegetable sources. While providing our bodies with other important nutrients, most plant and vegetables offer only a limited amount of omega-3. The reason is that our bodies convert the alpha-linolenic acid they contain to a very reduced amount of DHA. For example, when you consume 100 milligrams of plant-source fatty acids, by the time the body converts them, you end up with only 5 milligrams of DHA. You would have to consume 6 liters of many common cooking oils to get the same omega-3 content as a daily portion of Arctic Sea. A better way to provide your body with omega-3 is to consume more fish. However, growing concerns over toxic buildup of PCBs, toxins, dioxins, mercury, and other contaminants in many fish populations have experts recommending that we limit the amount of fish we consume. In addition, much of the fish available on the market today has been raised in commercial fish farms instead of allowing them to grow naturally and harvesting them from the open sea. The best way to obtain omega-3s is to supplement our diet with Arctic Sea. Consider the following. Each daily amount of Arctic Sea gives your body over 1,100 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. No conversion process is necessary. The EPA and DHA are available for assimilation directly from the capsules. Consuming Arctic Sea helps to restore a healthy omega-3 to omega-6 ratio. The formula includes natural vitamin E to prevent oxidation. Forever uses a proprietary blend of the finest fish oils that have undergone a very strict process which eliminates contaminants and toxins and locks in purity. Each batch of Arctic Sea undergoes 46 qualitative and quantitative tests to ensure safety, purity, and potency. The supplier of the fish oil used in Arctic Sea has received the following certifications: International Organization of Standardization, hazard analysis and critical control points, current good manufacturing practices, Therapeutic Goods of Australia, which, by the way, is recognized worldwide as a very high level of quality, the Korean Food and Drug Administration, and it is an active member of the Technical Committee of the Global Organization for EPA and DHA Omega-3. In addition, they have received a 5-star rating from the International Fish Oil Standards. The result is fish oil that is rated best-in-class quality. You simply won't find a more pure and safe fish oil anywhere at any price. Arctic Sea helps to support and maintain cognitive function, eye health, joint support, healthy skin, and heart health. Speaking of the heart, both traditional and alternative medicine agree that omega-3s are important for our health. In 2011, the American Heart Association for the first time recommended the consumption of omega-3s, EPA, and DHA to help maintain heart health. The World Health Organization recommends consumption of EPA and DHA to support cardiovascular health. More than 100,000 scientific studies have been published on the health benefits of fish and fish oil. In conclusion, the health benefits of reducing the amount of omega-6 fatty acids and increasing the amount of omega-3 fatty acids in our diet are numerous. The best way to do that is to consume less fatty foods, eat fish at least twice a week, and supplement daily with Arctic Sea. Your brain, eyes, joints, skin, and heart will thank you.